Have you ever pondered the magic veiled in everyday objects? Take oregano for instance. This humble herb, often relegated to the spice rack's back row, is a staple in kitchens across the globe. It's the unsung hero of many a dish, its aromatic leaves lending a distinct flavor that whisks us away to the sun-drenched hillsides of the Mediterranean with every bite. Imagine a pizza without its signature sprinkle of oregano, or a hearty pasta sauce lacking its fragrant touch. It would be like a symphony without its violins, a story without its protagonist. Oregano's presence, though often overlooked, is as essential as the sun in the sky, the rhythm in music, the heart in our bodies. Yet, in its ubiquity, we often forget to appreciate the depth of its character, the richness of its history, the magic it holds within its unassuming leaves. But what if I told you there's more to oregano than meets the eye? As we journey back in time, we uncover the rich history of oregano, steeped in magic and myth. This humble herb, now a staple in our kitchens, was once considered a potent symbol of joy and happiness by the ancient Greeks and Romans. In the cradle of civilization, the aromatic oregano was revered, not just for its culinary prowess, but for its mystical and medicinal properties. The Greeks, ingenious in their understanding of the natural world, were the first to recognize the healing powers of oregano. They cherished it as a valuable remedy for poison and skin infections. They wove it into bridal and funeral wreaths, believing it to ward off evil spirits and bring peace to the departed. The Romans, too, held oregano in high esteem, using it as a symbol of happiness. They believed that the sweet scent of oregano was a gift from the gods, capable of bringing joy and love. It was a common practice to crown newlyweds with garlands of oregano, to bless their union with eternal happiness. Beyond the Mediterranean, in the far reaches of the East, the Chinese valued oregano for its warming properties and used it in their traditional medicine to treat fever, vomiting, and diarrhea. They believed that the herb had a magical ability to balance the body's energies, promoting overall wellness. The ancient Egyptians, well known for their advanced medical knowledge, used oregano as a preservative and a healing agent. They included it in their embalming process, trusting in its antimicrobial properties. They also used oregano oil to soothe aches and pains, a testament to its potent anti-inflammatory effects. Fast forward to the Middle Ages and we find herbalists and healers continuing the tradition of using oregano as a remedy for a variety of ailments. They brewed it into teas to aid digestion, made poultices to heal wounds, and even used it as a charm against harmful spells. Indeed, oregano was much more than a culinary herb to our ancestors. It was a symbol of joy, a protective charm, a remedy for the ill, and a magical herb believed to possess the power to heal and to soothe. Such is the enchanting history of oregano, a testament to the ancient magic of nature's bounty. From a simple herb to a potent healer, oregano's magic is truly remarkable. As we journey deeper into the world of oregano, its medicinal benefits come to the fore, revealing a side of it that transcends its culinary use. Oregano, this humble herb, boasts of significant antimicrobial properties. Imagine this: a tiny leaf, unassuming in its appearance, battling and winning against harmful microorganisms. It's like a knight in shining armor, keeping our bodies safe from the invisible enemy. What's more, these antimicrobial properties aren't just limited to internal consumption. Oregano oil, when applied topically, can help keep skin infections at bay, making it a must-have in your natural skincare regime. But that's not all. Oregano's prowess extends to being a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Inflammation is often a silent ailment that paves the way for more serious health issues. This is where oregano steps in, helping reduce inflammation, and therefore potentially preventing a cascade of health complications. The next time you're nursing a sprain or grappling with arthritis, remember, oregano might just be your trusty ally. As if these weren't enough, the magic of oregano continues with its antioxidant properties. In a world where we're constantly exposed to free radicals and oxidative stress, oregano serves as a protective shield. Its rich antioxidant content helps neutralize these harmful free radicals, promoting overall health and well-being. From helping treat common colds to aiding digestion, from soothing a sore throat to easing menstrual cramps, oregano's healing powers are vast and varied. It's not just an herb, it's a miniature medicine cabinet in itself. So, the next time you reach out for that bottle of oregano, remember you're not just adding flavor to your dish, you're also adding a dash of health, a sprinkle of well-being, and a pinch of magic. After all, a pinch of oregano might just be the magical cure you've been seeking. Beyond the physical realm, oregano holds a powerful sway in the spiritual world too. This humble herb, widely known for its culinary use, is a beacon of spiritual significance, deeply intertwined with ancient rituals and beliefs. Let's journey back in time and delve into the profound world of oregano's spiritual resonance. In the realm of spirituality, oregano is considered a protective talisman. It has been used in protective spells and amulets to ward off negative energies and attract positive vibes. This belief finds its roots in the ancient times when herbs were used not just for their medicinal properties, but also for their mystical powers. In various cultures, oregano has been held in high esteem for its spiritual properties. For instance, in the Mediterranean regions, it was believed that oregano could protect against evil spirits. The herb was often planted near homes as a shield, and also used in rituals to cleanse the aura of a place. Moving further east, in some Asian cultures, oregano was used in spiritual ceremonies to purify the environment and protect against malevolent forces. It was believed that the herb's potent aroma could dispel negativity and create a harmonious atmosphere. In the Americas, indigenous tribes revered oregano for its spiritual potency. The herb was used in sacred rituals, often burned as incense to invoke positive spirits and facilitate communication with the divine. It was also used in healing ceremonies, believed to restore spiritual balance and well-being. Even in modern times, oregano continues to be a part of spiritual practices. Many people use oregano oil in their homes and workplaces to ward off negative energy. It's also used in aromatherapy, where its calming scent is believed to promote relaxation and spiritual tranquility. Oregano's spiritual significance goes beyond its protective powers. It's a symbol of happiness, tranquility, and positive energy. It's a reminder that nature has its own magical ways of protecting and nurturing us, if only we take the time to understand and appreciate it. The magic of oregano transcends the boundaries of the physical world. As we've seen, this simple, commonplace herb carries with it a rich tapestry of spiritual beliefs and practices, making it a true wonder of nature. Scene script. Unbeknownst to many, a magical ingredient resides in our very own kitchens. Picture this, a humble herb, unassumingly sitting in your spice rack, carrying an age-old legacy of healing, spirituality, and culinary magic, the oregano. This aromatic plant, with its roots in the sun-kissed Mediterranean, is more than just a pizza topper. It's a treasure trove of benefits waiting to be unlocked in your kitchen. Let's start with the health angle. A sprinkle of oregano in your soup or salad not only adds a punch of flavor but also boosts your body's defenses. Rich in antioxidants, it's a warrior against free radicals, those pesky molecules that speed up aging and disease. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe aches and pains while its fibers aid digestion. A little oregano goes a long way in bolstering your well-being. Next, the spiritual. Oregano in its dried form can be used to cleanse your living space of negative energy. A common practice in ancient times, burning dried oregano releases a soothing smoke, believed to purify and protect. So the next time you feel the need for a spiritual cleanse, reach for the oregano. Now let's talk flavor. Oregano's robust, earthy taste has the power to transform the simplest of dishes into culinary masterpieces. A pinch in your pasta sauce, a sprinkle on your roast chicken, or even a dash in your morning smoothie, the possibilities are endless. Oregano is your secret weapon to elevate meals from ordinary to extraordinary. But remember, the magic of oregano is not in its quantity, but in its quality. So invest in good quality, organic oregano for the best results. And don't be afraid to experiment. After all, the kitchen is your magic laboratory. Indeed, the magic of oregano is at your fingertips, waiting to be discovered. From ancient times to modern kitchens, the magic of oregano is truly fascinating. Let's take a moment to revisit what we've uncovered. This humble herb, known to us as oregano, has been a source of magic and mystery since antiquity. A symbol of joy and happiness for the ancients, it has been used in spiritual rituals and healing practices for centuries. Oregano is not just a culinary delight, but a medicinal marvel, possessing potent healing properties, making it a staple in traditional remedies. Its spiritual significance is just as profound, having been used in rituals and ceremonies to ward off evil and bring about good fortune. In our modern kitchens, the magic of oregano continues to unfold. It's an ingredient that elevates our dishes, infusing them with its distinctive flavor and aroma, but also a dash of ancient magic. So, the next time you sprinkle oregano on your pizza, remember, you're partaking in a little bit of magic.